Hello friends, welcome to another session on Tabular Editor. In this session I am going to show you how to fix the measures if you have the same fix to be done in all the measures. So I will pick one example here for your demo. So if you look at the measure, uh, here in the all function I am using the complete dim country table, but the dimension that's being used in chart is only the country dimension from the table. So it's always good to use the column, just the column or the sort column which is being used in the dimension of the chart or table instead of using the complete table in the all function. So we have to replace this all dim country with all of dim country column there. So how do we do that? Instead of doing that manually in all these measures, which will be time consuming, we are going to do that replacing of text in the DAX measure using the tabular editor. So we are going to head over to external tools and tabular editor. So once I have the tabular editor open, you can see that in the tables folder, I have the measures table folder where I have all the measures. So we are going to replace this all of dim country with all of dim country column there. So I'm going to write a script for that. We are going to create two variables, one for from text, another one for to text. So from text is equal to @ in double quotes. You are going to have the text which you are going to replace. So I'm going to replace all of dim country with to text So we are going to use for each loop here to loop through all the items that are present in the measures collection. So for each variable m in model dot all measures, I can close, and in double quotes and in the curly brackets we are going to write m dot expression is equal to m dot expression dot replace method, replace, and then from text comma to text bracket close, then close the command line with semicolon there. So we are ready to run the script. So you can see that the expression I have all of dim country for all the measures. Now when we run the script, we are going to have all of dim country column. I think I just used a flower bracket there instead of. So I have to just copy this again. Paste it and then use square bracket there. So this time, instead of going through all the measures using the model.all, I'll show you another method of using the selected measures. So you can select the measures on which you want the script to be applied. So I can make this, I can select all the measures using shift plus click button, clicking the mouse. So instead of model.all measures, I'm going to have selected measures there. So now this script is going to work on all the selected measures. So when I run the script, it's going to fix the DAX measure. So we can see that instead of curly bracket that I had, I am getting the all of dim country there. So I hope you will like this video, and you can save a lot of time using the advanced scripting, the from and to text script that I showed in this video. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.